Hello everyone. Look at this next easiest question from 2026 Physics NEET. The question is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of a simple pendulum bob is 0.02 joule. So sum of kinetic plus potential means total energy. So total energy is given 0.02 joule. Next, the speed of the simple pendulum at the equilibrium position is approximately that we have to find out. And the mass of the bob is given 20 gram. So now before solving the question, look at the result here. So whenever the question of pendulum will come, remember one thing, at the equilibrium position, potential energy is zero, but kinetic energy is maximum. And at the extreme position, this side or this side, at the extreme position, kinetic energy is zero, but potential energy is maximum at the extreme position. Okay, but this question is talking about equilibrium position. So at equilibrium position, potential energy is zero and kinetic energy only is there. So if we write down the formula, total energy means kinetic plus potential. Okay, but at equilibrium position, potential energy is zero, so only kinetic energy will remain. So total energy is same as kinetic energy. So if we apply the formula of kinetic energy, which is nothing but half mv square is equal to total energy. So we have to find out this V. So if we do the cross multiplication, so 2 times total energy upon mass is equal to V square. So if we take square, that side become root. Okay. So we have to find out. So root of 2 multiplied by total energy, which is given 0.02. So if we remove the decimal, we can write down as 2 multiplied by, after decimal 2 digits are there, so 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. So 2 total energy is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 upon mass. So mass of the bob is given 20 gram. Okay, so 20 gram you have to convert into kg. So 20 into 10 raised to minus 3. So if we solve this, what we will get? 20 means 2 into 10. So in the numerator, 2 to the 4 into 10 raised to minus 2, and in the denominator, this 1 0 if we add up here, we'll get 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2. So this 10 to the power minus 2 will get cancelled, and 2 to the 4, so we'll get root 2. So the value of root 2 is approximately 1.41. So the correct answer is here second one. Okay. Thank you.